Welcome, today we're going to be making Palestinian Shakshuka, which is fried eggs and fried tomatoes. First get 2 tomatoes and then cut them into thin pieces. Now drizzle about 3 tablespoons of olive oil onto your pan. Now with the stove on, you'll now want to place your tomatoes onto the pan. Now add your salt and pepper onto the tomato for it to be seasoned while it's being fried. Now let the tomatoes fry until it becomes soft. This will take about 3 minutes. Now you're going to be adding the eggs. For the specific recipe, you'll need 4 eggs. Now you're going to be adding salt and pepper onto the eggs. And now you're done with your shakshuka. Enjoy! I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, our social media accounts. You should follow us on our Facebook and Instagram, link in the description below.